Bonjour les amis, do you want to woo your Valentine and you don't know quite sure, you're not quite sure where to go and exactly what to say and how to say it? I'm Llyane Stanfield and you are watching French Valentine with Llyane, where I'm sharing with you between the 1st and the 14th of February. I suggest to you places where you can go in Paris this year. What are the places that are so romantic that you couldn't resist, never mind your Valentine, as well as what you could say to express your love in French so that you create that French atmosphere and romance that is absolutely irresistible, and of course how to say it. Today is day 11 of 14 and these videos expire from Facebook, so if you'd like to have full access to these all the 14 videos, as well as the full webinar that I created for you with so much more in-depth information that prepares you for the big V-Day, then please click on the link in the description of this video and I will see you on the other side. Today, day 11, I would like to suggest that you go at Le Moulin Rouge, where there is a revue, a show that's called Féerie, and so I definitely recommend it to you this year. And what to say would be something really interesting, and I'm going to say it to you and help you pronounce it. But again, if you really want an in-depth instructions and help on how to pronounce this and many more other expressions, declarations of love, and words of endearment in French, please click in the link in the description of this video and get them there. So today, je file le parfait grand amour. Je file le parfait grand amour, and that is translated as I am completely in love. Je file le parfait grand amour. And so how to pronounce it? Well, I know you heard me, but for the beginners, and especially if you don't know the words, you may want to know the rules of pronunciation that are reflected in this expression, this declaration of love, because otherwise you're going to forget. So, je. Is pronounced and not e because it doesn't have an accent. File. Be very careful to pronounce e and not e, because Anglophones tend to do that, and that's very normal for their Anglophone ear. And final E is silent. Le, this is pronounced, E is pronounced in full body, and so don't, shy away from it, but don't pronounce it E, because that would mean a completely different thing. Parfait. So again, A should be I and not A. And AI is a rule of pronunciation in French, and it's pronounced E. And the final T is a rule of thumb. The final consonant is silent. Parfait. Grand. AN followed by a consonant or at the end of the word is pronounced nasal A. So en, grand. And final consonant, rule of thumb in French, final consonant is silent. So D is not pronounced. Amour. A is A and not A. OU is a rule of pronunciation in French. It's pronounced ou. And the final R is an exception to the rule of thumb I just mentioned. So the rule of thumb states that the final consonant is silent. But in this particular case, R is pronounced amour. So this is what I have for you for today. And again, if you would like to have so much more in-depth information, suggestions, and so much more romance at your fingertips, please go and check out the webinar, Tell Your Love in French. Tell Your Love in French. Thank you for the love. So please check it out there. So many more. It's a two-part webinar. The first part took place today, The second part is going to take place on Wednesday, and this is going to be your preparation for the V-Day. Even if you're not in Paris, this is going to be so handy. And on Wednesday, you check out what is there for today, but on Wednesday I promise you to give you the terms of endearment in French, which you actually can sprinkle in your day-to-day life, not just on Valentine's Day, but in all your life, so that you boost your romance, and that would be something delightful for your Valentine. So click on the link in the description of this video. There's also a bonus there that is waiting for you, but not for too long. Stay on your game, keep going for your dream to become bilingual, and make that V-Day the most romantic day, or Valentine's Day, or day that you have had so far. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time tomorrow. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.